Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to HTML. This is the part about forms. We're going to talk about the drop-down list, which is actually a select element. So let's get to it. All right, here inside our form, we've got a text box, we've got some radio buttons. Okay, so we'll make a label. And I've already done shirt size. I've got to think of something else. How about color? Yeah, color, that's good. Color. And then we'll make our select list. Okay, now this is going to be a name value pair. With a drop-down list, the most normal way is they have to pick one, so that it kind of acts like a radio button in that sense. But the select element has the name on it, so we will say name equals color. Yeah, I like where this is going. Okay, then we will close select, and the way that we'll do our choices is we're going to have some options. Blue. Red. Okay. Now a radio list, you really want to only have 3 or 4 choices. A drop-down list, you can have more than that. So let's see. We will okay. Yeah, let's save it. Alright, it's saved. Let's go look at it. Boing, boing. Alright, so here we have our drop-down list. We'll pick one. We'll fill out the rest of our form. And go. Okay, so first name is Clay, and degree is on, and shirt size is medium, and color is indigo. That's fun. That's fun. So when I hit go and it submitted the form back to itself and the page reloaded, it reloaded with blue chosen because blue's the first one. Also with a drop-down list, a lot of times you want to give people the opportunity to pick nothing. So here you do that by doing something like this. I'm going to have to do it wrong first because there's a little bit more to talk about. Okay. Oh. The little dashes here just to make it clear that this isn't really a choice. Okay, now this is going to be a little bit odd. Okay, and it says color equals choose. So we have to make a way for the value that's sent to be a little different than what you see as an option. And the way you do that is with the value attribute. And for nothing, you make it an empty string, you know, quote unquote. We'll save that. Go over here and look at it. Okay. Oh, and this time it says and color equals blank. So that worked. A lot of times you'll have a value for everything you send. For instance, a lot of times these things are case sensitive in JavaScript and in a lot of back-end languages. So you might want to have it where it does something like this. Let's see, I'm going to do a trick. I'm going to hold down my Alt key and select multiple lines down like that. It works in Notepad++. It also works in Visual Studio. I'm going to type a space and type the word value, equals quote unquote. And then let's just say that this is B R V I. So it's more like a code, right? More like a code. All right, let's save that. Let's go over here and refresh. Okay, now I'm going to pick one of these. I'll pick red this time and go. Okay, and it says color equals R. So that's how that works. Drop-down lists, they're awesome. Okay, so it looks like I need to put a break after my select. Okay, and yeah, everything's kind of tight, but that's layout stuff. I mean, you make those sorts of changes with CSS. In HTML, we're concerned about structure, so I don't really care right now about the padding between these controls. I would do that elsewhere. Thank you.